Through the efforts of Bestmed Medical Scheme Talent Manager Michelle Ward, the dreams of Semole Matala, principal at Mamelodi East Prevocational School, were fulfilled and realized. Bestmed is a member of the Partners for Possibility program, a program that facilitates partnerships between schools and businesses to solve problems at grassroots level.
So what was very interesting with the matching process of Partners for Possibilities is that the leader of our circle took a lot of time to meet with every individual before the time and then look at the different personalities and then find a match. And I must be honest, I think Marichen did a marvelous job because Siamole and myself, we are so unique and different, yet so similar to one another. And it was really very, very special for us to be able to engage and interact. Our backgrounds are so different, but our passions and our values are so very much aligned. And we really became good friends. We had a passion for what it is that we wanted to achieve at the school, in our work environment, and just in life in general.
Where's this nice smell coming from? I can hear the projectors, I can hear.
It's for afterwards.
Michelle ensured that Bestmed's Partner for Possibility, Mamelodi East Prevocational School, has optimally functioning classrooms, a decent sports field which would enable sporting activities and physical education to be reintroduced as a subject, and a borehole to enable sufficient water supply for their veggie garden, as well as water the grass for the newly leveled playing field.
Bestmed invited me to attend Golf Day. It was a Golf Day celebration. I went there to present my school. I managed to get sponsors who donated the projectors. So we had projectors mainly for the skills classes. My learners are visual. They learn easy when they see things. So it was best for us to can get the projectors for the classrooms. So after the donation that we got, we also received the 15,000. And we used part of the 15,000 for the erection of the borehole. And the borehole is able to supply water from inside the schoolyard and even the sports field. And through that, we are able to run the school even when there's a crisis of water in the community.
One of the projects that we decided to embark on, which started during our golf day, where we asked other corporates that are associated with Bestmed to see if they have projectors that they are willing to sponsor the school. And we then got 4 second-hand projectors, and then we got a 5,000 Rand donation, and we bought the 5th projector with that. And then Bestmed, with one of the other IT providers, they were able to get us these trolleys that are movable for the 5 centers. So every center then has a stand that is kitted with all the cables to make it easy to put it on. And then these laptops and the projectors are then packed back into the safe when they are done with the class, so that there's no safety issues around that. But the trolley actually makes it possible, instead of having it coming from the roof and then being open for it being stolen and so forth.
The project is the coming together of Bestmed's different departments to ensure a meaningful contribution to the school. The procurement, legal and finance departments worked on the levelling of the school's playing field, which will ensure that sports skills, teamwork and leadership development can thrive at school. Also, part of the items the school received were 12 pairs of shoes donated by Heartbeats to assist learners without shoes.
Today we are here at Mamelodi East Prevocational School. Behind me is the girls and boys in their kits, in particular the girls with their netball kit and the boys with their soccer kit, which as SuperSport we've donated to the school with our partner. Part of what our partner has also done is to also donate the irrigation system, which helps the school with their sanitation. Plus, as you can see, the ground has been leveled. that irrigation also waters the ground accordingly for it to be in the state that the soccer players need it for. So yes, we continue to partner with our partner Bestmed and enriching lives all the way.
Bestmed's information and technology team assisted with assembling the new projectors. Bestmed's IT team also installed a laptop charging trolley that was donated by Datacentrics.
One of the key responsibilities and tasks that Bestmed has set for itself is that we take the issue of investing back into the communities that we operate in quite seriously. So when we saw the opportunity to partner with Partners for Possibility, we felt that that would be an appropriate step to take. So to that end, we then partnered with them about 6 years ago. So over the years, we've had a number of partnerships with different schools. And this is just one of those schools that we have invested in to ensure that not only do we benefit our brand as Bestmed, but also that we plow back into the communities where we operate in. I think it's important for me to state and share with you that I'm a sports fanatic myself. So sports is something that I think is quite critical to any child's development. So Bestmed has taken a decision to partner with SuperSport Let's Play. This is a partnership that we are hoping, will solidify some of the activities that we're busy with, such as Partners for Possibilities. So it's also a partnership that we believe is both beneficial for SuperSport as a brand, but also for Bestmed as a brand and as a medical scheme within, the area that we are currently in today.
The use of projectors in the classrooms will aid in supporting the learning process for the school's pupils immensely, and the addition of a new laptop charging trolley reduces the risk of student possessions being stolen, as their devices can charge in the safe room.
I was privileged actually and honored to meet Michelle through Partners for Possibility. Our journey was very fruitful and informative. We shared a lot in common, me and you. We are passionate about the learners, the community, and our job. So from my side, I have learned to work with my team, to appreciate my teachers. And over the process, I have learned the skills and the knowledge to be a better leader. And today, I want to say proudly that through the journey that we traveled together, I'm a better person, I'm a better leader. I'm able to recognize the talents, I'm able to recognize the skills, and even to involve my staff members. So thank you so much for introducing me to Bestmed also. I was welcomed. I met everybody at Bestmed, starting from the cleaner, the tuck shop ladies there, and even the managers and the CEO. Thank you so much, Michelle, for the journey that we traveled together. Today is a very special day for me and my kids and the entire community of Mamelodi Prevocational School. It's like a dream come true. A special thank you to Bestmed and Michelle for the road that we have traveled together. I never thought that this day will come. I'm very much honored and privileged with everything that Bestmed has done for my school. The laptop trolleys, the borehole, and today we have received beautiful outfits for my learners for soccer and netball. Thank you for introducing Super Sport Let's Play to our school. For you to be here, it's really humbling and exciting. So I feel very, very, very privileged and excited.